Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
So today I have a glasses unboxing. Right here I have one pair of glasses to show you guys in today's video, and this is by the company Viskle. They had reached out to me, asked me if I wanted a free pair of glasses to do a review on, and of course I said yes, because I love testing out these different internet brands and giving you guys the tea and tell you guys how much I really like the glasses and all of that good stuff. So yeah, this is what I got. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you guys do want to support the channel, you can go ahead and click the buy me a coffee link in the description box below and support my caffeine addiction. So let's go ahead and get started on the glasses, you guys. So what I mostly look for when I get glasses from companies online is the way that things are packaged, because you're ordering a pair of glasses, you want it to come in very secure packaging, so of course they're not going to break en route to you or anything like that. I typically wear my glasses at night, so I definitely look for things that are comfortable. I've had a couple pairs of glasses that have really like irritated the back of my ears. They've been like too tight, and yeah, when I'm driving at night, I'm usually driving for long distances, so they need to be comfortable. So that's kind of what I look for. I look for comfort, and I look for the way things are packaged. So far so good with Viskle. Their packaging is really nice. It is this box packaging. It's really sturdy, secure, so if you were to drop this or anything like that, nothing would happen to your glasses. That is how it opens, like that. And then there's, ooh, so this came in the box. It's just like a random lens. I don't know, like it's non-prescription or anything like that. I don't know what that is, but it was in the box. The next thing that it came with is this glasses repair kit, and I love it when companies include this because this is so important if you guys are going to be wearing your glasses on an everyday basis or anything like that. I've even noticed sunglasses that I wear, you know, all the time. I'm always wearing sunglasses when it comes to driving during the day, and when I go hiking and stuff like that, I always wear sunglasses. And I do notice that the arms get loose really quickly, so this is so handy. It also comes with a couple extra pieces for if you have like glasses with like the little nose piece. It comes with extra ones like that because those can break off really easily as well. Let me just take this out of the packaging. This tool actually does have a key ring too, so it's very convenient. You just throw that on your keys and you're good to go. You can repair it on the go. I know that when I'm in my car and I'm waiting for somebody and I'm not doing anything, I tend to tighten the screws on my glasses, sunglasses, that sort of thing if I'm bored. So yeah, very handy. This also does come with a wipe. Very handy as well, because I tend to use those a lot, and those things can also get lost pretty quick. And then yeah, that's what the box looks like. So the glasses do come in this nice little drawstring case. It does not come with a hard case at all, but that doesn't bother me because I wear my glasses, like I said, at night in my car, so I can just throw these in my glove compartment. And let's look at the glasses. So I picked, of course, my favorite color. I picked lavender. I'm actually wearing lavender today. That was just a coincidence. I didn't even realize that these were lavender, but they are. So that's what they look like. So these are the glasses that I picked out. The sides are actually almost like a rose gold. Looks like that. They're not quite like a super bright pink rose gold, but they are not like a yellow gold either. They're kind of like a rose gold champagne color. Very pretty. Love these. And then the ends do have this little comfort piece for, you know, the back of your ear and stuff like that, which I very much appreciate. So that's what they look like. Very cute. I do tend to go for the more cat eye ones. Those are just my preference. I also do like the transparent frames over, you know, like a solid color like black or anything like that, but it's definitely up to you. They have tons and tons of choices on their website, and it took me forever to decide on this pair, but I saw it and I'm like, these are so me. So let's go ahead and try these on. So that's what they look like. I absolutely love the way they look with my dress that I'm wearing right now. I think it's just a whole vibe. So that's what these glasses look like, you guys, on. I think they are so flattering, especially if you have like brown or hazel eyes and you go for kind of more of like a purpley frame. It makes your eye color just stand out. So yeah, these are what they look like. What do you guys think? I always get asked why I don't wear glasses in my videos or anything like that. It's because it glares. Do you see that? Like my ring light in the back, it glares on my lens and that bothers me. So that's why I don't ever really wear glasses in my videos. I'm not opposed to doing it because I actually like, you know, for the most part, I think that glasses are flattering on me, but at the same time, I think it's like distracting when there is like a ring light in the back and all you see is like my eyes being like glared up, you know? So that is really the reason why I don't wear them filming, but otherwise I would. So yeah, that's that. I absolutely love these. So far, so good. They don't really bother my lash extensions so much. That's what I noticed about certain pairs of sunglasses and stuff like that. I do have to wear things a little bit lower on the bridge of my nose because I have lash extensions now, but it's not really a bother. I feel like lash extensions are so worth it. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. So far, so good. These are actually pretty comfortable, I'm gonna say. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with these. The sides and everything are not like uber tight where it's uncomfortable. So I'm gonna have to see how these go when I'm driving with them and stuff like that, if I'm driving a long distance with them, to see how comfortable they're gonna be. But I have good feelings about these. I think that they're awesome. So that is pretty much it for my video. I give these a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend Viskle. I will leave their info down in the description box below or in the pinned comment, or maybe both, so you guys can check them out yourself if you are looking for a new pair of glasses. And these are super affordable. I forgot to mention that in the beginning. Like, these are super affordable. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you in the